new warehouse at Footscray in Melbourne is a big project by any standards. The building features a huge amount of floor space and a massive underground parking area. The construction created a lot of challenges for the builders H. Troon and Hollowcore, who supplied all the flooring.
The client Bunnings wants a completely level floor, and as well as that we need to have crane access on top of the suspended floor during construction.
There's certainly a lot to do with the rises and falls. Looking at the project from standing up at the top or probably underneath, it looks as though it's one complete flat plane, the floor, but it's not, because significant proportions of it are outside. There's nursery and there's ramps and driveways in.
We're trying to get the Hollowcore beams as flat as we possibly could, because when it comes to doing a top and screed in the warehouse, we need to have a nice flat surface for the laser screeds to actually work.
The building floor space measures a whopping 17,000 square metres, and most of it is made up of Hollowcore planks.
Approximately 6,000 planks, Hollowcore planks, 220 precast beams and 251 concrete columns. And
the numbers keep coming. 20 to 200 tonne cranes working 55 days, lifting some 7,650 tonnes of material, the heaviest piece weighing in at 38 tonnes. By completion, the cranes will have done 6,471 lifts.
We can probably do up to 1,000 square metres a day.
The precast approach to construction significantly reduces the number of crew on site.
Mostly only we need about 7 to 8 people to do the erection, compared to in situ 20 to 30.
We often get involved in the process from an early concept stage, so we may have some structural or architectural drawings or possibly just a concept, and then we try to take that from those early stages and come up with a design to turn it into a precast building.
Below the warehouse is the massive open car park. Support comes from precast columns.
Because the precast beams are pre-stressed, they don't require formwork, and the load capacity of the Hollowcore is greater than a conventional solid slab.
We actually can go up to spans of 17 metres, so that actually eliminates some columns.
The precast components are made according to the plan.
We get an elevation as a basic thing. An elevation, then we'll do our designs off that. We will pass the drawings on to the production team.
The 2,000 semi-trailers are then loaded in reverse order to a specific logistics plan.
The next truck arrives. The top one of that will be the next in the sequence.
I'll tell you after the next one, mate.
At the site, they are unloaded according to the plan.
They're getting a very clean, level floor, and they'll then polish the floors.
It's a burnish finished, which is just basically a nice glass finish on the floor, and extremely smooth.
And Bunnings have indicated that when they polish the floors, it does increase sales by about 20%.
For a list of precast flooring providers and more information, go to www.nationalprecast.com.au.